So good day everyone, I'm Raymond Andaya from Block 3A and tatalakay natin ang create a simple website with SQL injection vulnerability. So ano nga ba ang SQL injection? SQL injection is a web security vulnerability that allows an attackers to enter with the queries a website makes to it database. It occurs when an application allowed user input to directly inserted into a SQL query without proper sanitation or validation. This can lead to authorized access, data leaks, or even complete database control. How SQL injection works. User input manipulation. If a website dynamically builds SQL queries using user-provided data without proper scraping, attackers can injection malicious SQL code. So ito yon, copy natin yan mamaya. And then, tapos ito, nalagay natin to sa may ginawa nating login. Ayan. I-execute niya yung username and password. So, itry din naman natin ito para may mabypass natin yung account ng admin. So, punta tayo sa ito. Lagay lang natin and then modified natin admin. Ayan. Ayan. Pag na-execute na natin, try natin buksan yung sa may login. Mapapansin nyo, walang admin na nakalagay. So, try naman natin i-bypass gamit ang or 1 equals 1 na ginawa natin. Ayan. Nakapasok tayo sa may mismong website. So, ito yan. Bypass authentication. Attackers can craft SQL inputs to trick the database into granting access without a valid user password. Try natin to. Yan, nakapasok naman yung admin. Pag ito yung ginamit natin, tas walang password, ayan yung i-inject. So, yun lamang po.